What to do while you wait for your manifestation. This is the key piece because we do not want to sabotage our efforts anymore. Hi, I'm Jenna. I'm an instant manifester, and in 90 days, I completely shifted my entire life, and I'm sharing with you everything that I've done and what I'm doing with my clients right now, seeing their results in less than 2 weeks, so that you can change your subconscious mind and let the universe spoil you today. You are destined to have instant manifestations, and you are destined to have your life change. If you can identify, this is something that I would like, boom, done, you get it, you're that deserving, you're that worthy, there's no other option. So while you're waiting, in the in-between time, so you've asked for what you want, you can visualize it, you can see it, it's established, but then you remember this is where you are. How do we deal with this in-between time? Perfect. This is the most critical piece, because even if you're waiting 3 days for your manifestation, you're waiting 2 weeks, or if it's a little bit bigger, like $1 billion, and you're waiting half a year to a year, whatever your timeline is based off of your default program, what you believe is true for you, there is this weakening part of us that will look at our reality and say, I don't have what it is that I want. I'm a little bit fearful it's not coming. How do I convince myself that what I want is here, it's done, I can see it, I can live it, I can experience it, when in reality, I can't see it, taste it, touch it, or anything. I'm just trusting my imagination. And I've trusted my imagination before. I have been manifesting for years before, and my life is still in this position. How do I know if I'm getting this right? How do I know if I'm on track? This is what you do in the interim time. You work with your default program every single day, which means you're interacting with your mind. So every day your mind is going to say, hey, but I just checked in with reality, and reality is showing me that we haven't had any different changes, and we have these bills now and we need to pay them, and we're not really sure how we're going to do that, and then we're kind of freaking out right now. This is where you put all of your gusto. Your entire mental diet is focused on understanding that this is all part of the process. So no matter what happens, any setbacks, any challenges, any triggers, any moments where you are just filled with a little bit of doubt, you're saying, oh good, I have this, because it's all part of my unfolding. This is happening because it's all leading me closer to my goal. This is happening because of my goal is unfolding right now. You keep telling yourself that this is happening for a reason, and the reason is good. Everything is working out in your favor. The universe loves to spoil me. You walk through your day and you assign meaning to everything that's happening as the unfolding. So someone will open up the door for you. Oh, that's because I'm on my way to my manifestation. Someone gives you $5. That's because I'm on my way to my manifestation. Someone lets you in a parking spot. This is because I'm on my way to my manifestation. But then something happens that shows you a negative response. For example, like you get the phone call that your partner doesn't want to date you anymore. You don't use that as a reason to second guess yourself. You use it as a reason to say, oh, see? This is because the universe is working out, because I am unfolding right now towards what I want. How does that work? When it's clearly going the opposite of what you want, you are using your mind to create your future, right? So whatever is happening right now is the past. It's already been created. It's like a movie that you are watching. So when you press play on a movie, you know that the actors, the producer, the costumes, the set design, that's all been taken down because it's already old news. It's already been produced. Your reality right now is a movie that's already been produced. You're a screenwriter for the new movie. And you're creating that, which means you're getting the set together, you're getting the producers together, the actors are learning their lines. There is a lot that happens before that movie is ready to be shown to the world. It's not ready to be shown to you because it is still developing. So you use your mind every day and you interact with your mind in this way. You say, this is my movie being produced. I don't want this old storyline anymore. So I turn my attention away from it and I keep creating the story that I am wanting to produce. I'm wanting to produce more money. So I say to myself, this is all part of the unfolding to my millions. This is all part of the unfolding to the dream life partner. That is all you're doing. You're working with your mind every single day. You're not letting your mind be what you're obedient to. Often we're obedient to our reality. We're obedient to this default program, but we're not doing that anymore. We are interjecting ourselves. We are coming forward and we are saying, hey, no, this is the script I want to create. This is the mental diet I am accepting. I'm not consuming anything else. And you become diligent at that. This is how you handle the in-between time, and the in-between time will dissolve so much quicker when you do this. But if you're panicking, if you're overwhelmed, if you are wanting your life to change and it's not, so you have anxiety and you're trying to soothe your anxiety, so you go and binge, or you go and drink more alcohol, or you do something to distract yourself, this distraction is causing a dip. The escape is a dip because you're still in fear. You're doing all of these things out of fear because you don't want to feel what you're feeling. You need to feel how you're feeling and then massage yourself into feeling the excitement of what's coming. You're anticipating what's coming because you get what it is that you want. It's inevitable. There's no end of story. There's nothing else that happens. You get to have this. Change your default. Work with your default. I love you. You're destined for success.